Hei, hyvää lauantaita kaikille. Tänään on lauantai ja olen keittiössä. Mä ajoin leppua banaanimuffinseja, koska mun mies osti paljon kypsää banaanit, koska hän haluaa leppua banaanimuffinseja tai banaanikakkua. Mutta so hi everyone, happy Saturday. So today is Saturday and I'm in the kitchen. I'm going to bake banana muffins for husband because he bought some really ripe bananas because he wanted to bake banana muffins and banana cake. He likes to eat those. But because when he bake, he can't really get the right amount, or he can't really bake it right. So he asked me to bake it for him. Kasi nga, gusto niya yung banana muffins na binibake ko at yung banana cake na binibake ko. So, yes, let's bake that for hubby so that when he comes home in the afternoon, he will have some merienda to eat. But let me show you outside. Outside is still, I can't see snow anymore. Nagtunaw na talaga siya. Tunaw na yung snow natin and still dark. And for sure, it's still cold. And the weather forecast I checked this morning, it says that in the afternoon there will be snow. Let's hope for that. Let's hope for a white Christmas this year. Sana white Christmas pa din. Okay, so let's start baking our banana muffins. Nonin, tas avat ainek set kuivat ainet meillä on jauhot, ruokasoda, leivinjauhe, heimansuola, sitten nestemäiset aineet, kypsät banaanit, öljy, voi, sokeri, vanilla extract ja sitten 2 kananmunia. Nyt aloitetaan.